Miss Apple Kidin to give her message.
Good evening, everyone. Before I start, I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to our school president, Ma'am Juliet S. Moises, our dedicated teachers, and all the staff behind the screen. Your hard work, time, and commitment made this event meaningful and successful. We are deeply grateful for our Today, I want to share my journey, not just as board member, but as someone who was tested in ways and others. Compare siguro sa ibang career kung ay isa sa mga swerte. Because my papa and mama provide my needs. Nagre-review naman talaga yung gagawin. No pressure. At the beginning of my relationship, everything was going well. Sa isang buwan, mas madami daw na walang face-to-face. Kaya mas madami pa ako yung mapupuntrate namin ng mga pagkakata kaysa na rin. Kapag reading day, umuwi ako sa bahay. Kasi mas ginaganahan ako ng mga review because my papa as an cook meal friend. Doon na dinaraan yung pagsabi ng galing ng kulay. May mga days na pinapahintay na ako mag-review kapag inaabot ako ang magaling. Sorry kung ay mama, pero dahil kay papa, mas gusto kong makapasa. Ang sabi na, siya yung pinaka-proud papa pag makapasa. Sabi pa nga na, palalagyan daw ko ng malaking tarpaulin sa harap ng pare, pati sa barangay ng mga. Tapos pag mag-OKT, magsusot daw siya ng formal na damit kasi never na siya magsusot. But in the middle of my review, I experienced a loss that changed everything. I lost my best friend, my advisor. I lost him. I lost my papa. It was sudden and painful, lalo na after yung matawang nag-gold sa pagkawalan. And it left me feeling empty and motivated. And that time, nothing seemed to matter to me. The dreams I shared into him suddenly lost their meaning. Yung pangako niyang formal na damit sa trabaho ng klase sa school. And because of that, pumilit akong mag-review ng isang buwan. Lahat ng gamit ko sa boarding, gawin ko sa bahay. That 1 month was the hardest